So my question is this, my friend. Do you need some support in your real estate business during these hard times? Hey, I'm Juan Pablo from 100% Finance, and during the past 10 years, in lieu of the past recession, I was able to acquire, I think, up to 72 rental units in total. And during my first 4 years of investing, I was able to obtain 30 rental units by 30 years old, to the point where I was able to acquire enough properties, quit my day job by 30, and be able to document and systematize the same process so that a newbie investor can do the same thing. Now, the last recession was really hard on people. Even speaking for myself, I used to work for the government, and while working for the government, we were furloughed for an indefinite amount of time. We didn't know when the next day will come back to work or when the next paycheck will come, so it was tough. That's why I had to switch gears and stop just focusing on earned income, working for somebody else, and obtain passive income, working for myself. And I think that's extremely important to have that mindset, especially in these hard times. But the truth is, there will be more opportunities now than ever before for real estate investors. In fact, it was after the last recession in 2008 when my real estate business took off. During this real estate party, we're going to be covering the following: how I became a financially free, independent real estate investor after the 2008 crash, what you should be doing right now as a real estate investor, and last, what is my favorite type of investment and how I got started. No money, no credit. Want in? Well, just click on the link that's included in this video, and I'll see you there.